Hi guys, welcome to Professional WordPress Web Development course. Now, so in our last video, we have seen what is the importance of Elementor and why we use it in web development and mainly for WordPress related projects. So now in this video, we'll see how to install Elementor, right? Elementor is nothing but just a plugin and we install it exactly in the same way how we install other plugins. So for this further course, in this further tutorial, what we'll be doing is I have already installed WordPress in a directory called as Elementor here, and the domain is www.demosites.com/Elementor. Inside this directory I have installed the WordPress. Once you install WordPress, now you need to install Elementor. So how to do that? Let's see how to do that quickly. Just go to your dashboard, and here on the left side under plugins, just click on add new. Now on the right side you have the search plugin option, right? So here you need to type Elementor. Now here right below it you'll have this option called as Elementor website builder, and the author is by elementor.com. so this is the one which we need to install. So click on install now. And now activate this plugin. Once we activate this plugin, as you can see on the left side, if you have observed, we just now got a new option called as Elementor. Technically what we call is custom post type, right? This is known as a new custom post type which we get is Elementors, and under this we have several options called as settings, role managers, tools, system info, getting started, guide or something, and then how to get help, custom fonts, custom icons. Most of these options are activated or you get access to only if you purchase the pro version, like say custom fonts and custom icons. And getting help is nothing but it just redirects you to the Elementor's official website, and then getting started is some guides or articles to get started with this plugin, and system info is nothing but the server details on which your WordPress website is running. So whenever you want to contact the support team, you will have to give this information to your developer or the plugin support team, right? So you can download this by clicking on this button, and then share this information to the support team. Whoever is developing the website for you, they'll be helping you out, right? This will have many informations like SQL, PHP, and so many other. You can just explore it. For now, what we need to do is we need to start development and we need to start designing our websites, right? And website is nothing but collection of pages and web pages, and so that we need to first, before we design the page, we need to have a page itself. So let's see how many pages we have. So on the left side you have this pages option, right? So we have a page called as home. So this home page was created by me before this recording, so let me delete it and start from scratch. So we don't have any pages, right? So now in a fresh install, just click on add new, and let's give this page some name called as we'll design an about us page. In websites we have about us page, right? So let's create one. Let's say the title of the page is about us, and then click on publish. On the right hand side you have this option called as publish. Now to see the page, you have a button over here called view page. Right click and open it in a new tab to see that page, how it looks. So this is how our about us page looks right now currently, and I'm sure this doesn't look much good. So what we need to do, this is inheriting the designs and font styles and everything from the theme that has been that ships with this WordPress by default. That's I think 2021. So we don't want any default design from the theme. We will do everything from scratch. So how to do that, how to remove the inherited design? Just come here, and under this page attributes, you have this template option, right? And here click on Elementor canvas. There are other options called as Elementor full width and Elementor canvas. Default template and theme, they come from the theme which has been installed, and these are the two options that we get from installing Elementor. So we need an Elementor canvas, in the sense we don't want any design aspect from the theme, and we get complete area, complete page, entire page. We can design any part of that page from Elementor. So we'll click on this Elementor canvas and then click on update. Let's see the page now, because we don't want this default header, title, and all these stuffs which are coming from the theme itself. Right, it has been refreshed now. It is completely blank, and now we can start the development from Elementor. Right, so hope you have understood how to install Elementor, and in our next video we'll get started with designing with Elementor, or else we'll go through the design editor of Elementor, and then we'll enter into designing part. Right, so thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.